Hello friends, today let's talk about how to find inner peace and calmness from within our mind. We all know that we are living in a place where we constantly bombarded and constantly overloaded by all those information and distraction. What happens when we live in such a place is that we tend to be reactive, we lose our focus, our concentration, and as a result our anxiety, stress, depression, frustration, all those negative things have developed. So how we get rid from all those negative things and finally able to find the inner peace and calmness from our mind? First of all, we need to realize that this inner peace and calmness is not a outer source. It is need to be find out and develop from within our mind. At the same times, the inner peace and calmness doesn't mean that you don't have any thought in your mind. Thought may always appear in your mind. It is just like a cloud. What is the nature of the cloud? It comes, it is going around, and after some times it is going away. The thoughts is just like that. There is a sky and also there is a cloud. Imagine yourself as a sky and your thought is just like a cloud. There is a huge distance between the sky and the cloud. But still, we often blame when the sky is gloomy, especially when the sky is raining. We often say to ourselves that it is the sky that is raining. But the sky is not raining. It is the cloud that is forming the rain. So there are some of the things, if we can apply in our daily life, then we can able to find out the inner peace from our mind. First things, if we can slow our bodily movement, that will help us to find the inner peace from our mind. You know that our mind and our body are highly interconnected. When our thoughts are, or our mind, when our mind are getting panic, our body also getting panic. So when we slow our bodily movement, then that will help us to complete any particular task and help us to find the inner peace. Suppose you are doing some work, if we can do it slowly, at the end you can see that you can able to complete it flawlessly, and that will give you actually the satisfaction and inner peace from your mind. Second things, which is the most effective things, which the great Gautam Buddha said, that adopt the breathing meditation. When you focus on your inner breathing and outer breathing, you instantly reduce your thousands and thousands of thoughts into two thoughts, inner breathing and external breathing. That is the most proven scientific way of reducing the stress, anxiety, depression, all those negative things, and find the inner peace and calmness from your mind. Thirdly, when the thoughts comes, do not judge the thoughts, but just aware of the thought. I just want to give you an example. You just sit by the side of the road, you see that buses, trucks, all those things, bikes, vans are passing. You are not chasing it, you are not judging it, you are just watching it. Let the vehicle be the vehicle and you are here. The same way, let the thought be the thought and you are here. When you react less, then you can see that you will find the inner peace and inner peacefulness and inner peacefulness from your mind. So adapt all those things in your life to find the peacefulness from your heart and find the inner peacefulness from your mind.